How's it going, guys? This is the Arches Mechanic. Look at this, we're at 474 subscribers. I want to thank you all for subscribing, for watching. Enjoy the video. In the previous video, I showed you guys how to remove the battery or replace the battery on the 2017 Rebel 300. And once you do that, you're going to have to reset the clock. And since it is not 8:31, it is currently 11:18, I'm going to show you how to do that. So you hold this button down, and we want it on 12 hour. So we hold the button down again, and we have the hours right there. So single press it, single press it, single press it until you get to the number that you want. And then we're going to hold it down until we get to the minutes, and then we're going to single press it until we get to the time that we want. Currently it is 11:18, so we'll put that at 18. All right, and then hold it down again, and that's the brightness right there. Hold it down again, and that's changing from miles per hour to kilometers. And hold it down again, and then it's reset. We're at 11:18 p.m. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.